Okay, have you ever wondered if you could solve a really frustrating YouTube problem in just 60 seconds? Well, today, that is exactly what we are going to do. We are taking on that dreaded inauthentic content issue, and our mission is to build a super powerful 60-second video script that can actually fix it. Let's jump right in. First things first, let's set the scene. We're talking about that huge roadblock that stops so many creators dead in their tracks, getting rejected for monetization. It's that awful sinking feeling, right? And honestly, understanding why it happens is the first, most critical step.
So has this ever happened to you? I mean, you pour hours, maybe even months into your channel. You finally hit all the requirements, you apply for the YouTube Partner Program, and then, boom, you get that email. Rejection. And the reason? This super vague, super frustrating phrase, inauthentic content. Ugh.
Now, here's the thing. A clear solution to this problem absolutely exists. But in a world that runs on short-form video, the real challenge is this. Can we take a pretty complex recovery plan and boil it all down into a script that's less than a minute long? Let's find out. So, where are we getting our fix from? Well, we're diving straight into our source material, a recovery blueprint from Akash YouTuber. It lays out a really clear, step-by-step roadmap for creators to follow. And the very first thing this source tells us is tension lene ki zarurat nahi hai, which pretty much translates to there's no need to worry. That's such a reassuring way to start, right? It immediately tells us, hey, there's a definite way out of this mess. Okay, let's quickly break down what this term even means. When YouTube flags something for inauthentic content, it's basically their way of saying, hey, we don't think your videos are original or that they add enough unique value. It's kind of like a quality control check, but it catches so many creators off guard. So, what does this actually look like? Well, the blueprint points to 4 really common red flags you see here. Things like reusing someone else's content without adding your own spin, using an AI voiceover a script you just copied, or uploading a bunch of really similar, repetitive videos. And a big one, just posting clips with 0 new editing or commentary. All right, so we get the what and the why. Now let's get to the good stuff, the how. Our source blueprint gives us a super clear 4-step fix to get a channel right back on track. So this recovery plan has 4 main parts. Step 1, you gotta create. You have to prove you're an original creator by uploading somewhere between 8 to 12 new long-form videos. Step 2, you gotta make it personal. You have to show up, whether it's with your face, your voice, or even just a screen recording. Step 3, time to clean house. Go back and delete or private any of that old content that could be getting you flagged. And finally, step 4, focus up. Show YouTube you have a clear plan by sticking to one niche and one format. It's really all about proving you're authentic. Okay, now for the fun part, the creative challenge. We have this excellent, really detailed 4-step plan, but how in the world do we compress all of that great advice into a punchy, effective 60-second script for a YouTube short? Every great short video starts with a killer hook. I mean, you have maybe 1 or 2 seconds, tops, to grab someone's attention and make them stop scrolling. And the best way to do that? Call out their specific problem, right away. Right after the hook, you state the problem. But there is absolutely no time for jargon. We have to translate inauthentic content into one simple, relatable sentence that just clicks with the viewer instantly. So this part is the real heart of the script. We can't just list off 4 steps. It's way too slow for a short. So we've got to get creative and consolidate them. We're going to merge all those ideas into 2 quick, powerful lines of action that are actually easy to remember. And of course, we have to end with a strong call to action, a CTA. But it shouldn't just tell them what to do next, like reapply. It also needs to give them that little shot of confidence to actually go and do it. Okay, all the pieces are designed, the blueprint is all laid out. Let's see the final product. Here it is, our complete 60-second script, assembled piece by piece. First, we land the hook. It's a direct question that instantly connects with the viewer's biggest headache. Demonetized for inauthentic content? See, this isn't just a question, it's a signal. It tells them you get their problem, and you have the answer they're looking for. If this has happened to you, you are stopping that scroll, for sure. Next, we define the problem in the simplest way possible. No corporate speak, no confusion. We just translate it into something real. YouTube thinks your videos aren't original. That clarity is so important for keeping the viewer locked in without overwhelming them. And now we deliver the fix, starting with the most important forward-looking action. Upload 8 to 12 new original videos. This is all about proving to the algorithm and to a human reviewer that you are a legitimate creator who adds value. It's a really powerful first step. And here's where we pack those other steps into one powerful command. Use your own voice or face, delete reused clips. This one line does two crucial things. It forces the creator to add that personal, authentic touch, and it tells them to clean up their past mistakes. It's all about adding new value while getting rid of old problems. And we close it out with a call to action that's both direct and really empowering. Reapply. You've got this. The first part tells them exactly what to do next. No confusion. The second part gives them that dose of confidence they desperately need after a rejection. It's the perfect way to end. And there you have it. You put all those pieces together and you've got a complete, ready-to-film script. It takes a complex, kind of demoralizing YouTube policy and turns it into a clear, actionable plan that literally fits in the palm of your hand. Problem, meet, solution. This whole exercise kind of leaves us with a bigger question. As information gets more and more complicated, and our attention spans get shorter and shorter, is the real superpower for any creator just the ability to simplify? To take a big, messy idea and make it small, clear, and incredibly useful? It's definitely something to think about.